Welcome to Biology, my dear student. We are learning chapter 2 biological classification, and my dear student, in last class we have learned about kingdom Protista, and we came to know that kingdom Protista is classified into certain group. So first group is named as cryosophytes, and we have learned about cryosophyte. So my dear student, number one group was named as cryosophyte, the second group was Dinoflagellate, the third group was Euglenoid, fourth group was slime mold, and fifth group was protozoan. So protozoa is the fifth group. So my dear student, kingdom Protista is classified into 5 groups. And about cryosophytes we have learned in last class. So my dear student, let us proceed further, and today let's learn about Dinoflagellate. So Dinoflagellate is one of the group of Protista. So now let us learn that what are the different characters that are been found in Dinoflagellate. So my dear student, dinoflagellates mostly marine and photosynthetic. So they are mostly marine. That means they are mostly found in sea and ocean. That means where salty condition. Okay, and they are photosynthetic. That means they can prepare their own food. They shows the characteristics of plant. Okay, they can show the process of photosynthesis. Then second character, my dear student, they appear yellow, green, brown, blue or red depending on the main pigments present in their cell. So my dear student, they may appear yellow color or green color or brown color or blue or red. Okay, so this color is because of their main pigments that are present in their cell. Okay. Then third character, my dear student, most of the dinoflagellate have two flagella. So most of them have two flagella. One lies longitudinally. Okay, so one flagella will be longitudinal and other the transverse section. So one will be longitudinal, okay, and another will be transverse section. So two flagella, most of them have two flagella. Then my dear student, an important character of dinoflagellate is that cell wall is made up of strip cellulose plates. So their cell wall is made up of strip cellulose plates. So this is a very important character. So my dear student, we have mentioned that when we have learned about Robert Whittaker 5 kingdom system of classification, some general character we have mentioned in Protista kingdom. So there we have mentioned that some of them have cell wall. So here what happened, dinoflagellate have cell wall. Okay, then they are also photosynthetic in nature. Clear? So my dear student, here you may see one picture. So this picture is luminescent dinoflagellate. So we have said that because of the pigments that are present in their cell, they may appear yellow color, green color, brown color, red color or blue color. So here you may see in ocean, okay, as they are marine, in their habitat is marine, so they will be found in somewhere in seas or ocean. So here you may see some waves of oceans, okay, you may see here. So they appear, these are the dinoflagellate. So they seems like luminant, okay, lighting one. So here you may see they appear blue in color. So this blue color is mainly due to the presence of dinoflagellate. Okay, so I hope that you have understood that dinoflagellate, they are mostly marine. So here this picture represent their existence in marine. Okay, so my dear student, now let's move to another group, that is the third group, is euglenoids. So euglenoids, majority of them are freshwater organism found in stagnant water. So my dear student, euglenoids, they are mostly found in fresh water. Okay, they are not found in marine state, but majority of them are found in fresh water. So they are freshwater organism and found in stagnant water. Stagnant water means water where there is no disturbance. Okay, we may say stable water. Clear? So there what you will find, some freshwater body, that means where there is no any disturbance, there you will find. So river is not a stagnant water, river is flowing, isn't it? So always disturbance will be there, but where there is no disturbance in water, there what you will find, euglenoid. Okay, fresh water. So sometimes pond, okay, pond is also sometimes settled water, and some water, okay, where there is no any disturbance, there you will find, and that water must be fresh water. Okay, so there you will find euglenoids. Instead of a cell wall, they have a protein rich layer called pellicle. Okay, so my dear student, instead of cell wall, what does they possess? They possess protein rich layer called pellicle, which makes their body flexible. So due to the presence of pellicle, what happens? Their body is flexible. Okay, instead of cell wall, they have pellicle, and pellicle, it is a protein rich layer. Okay. Then my dear student, they have two flagella, a short and a long one. So here in picture you may see euglenoids. Different examples of euglenoids are shown, and you should remember that Protista, their primary character or the basic character, we should always remember that euglenoids are group of Protista, and Protista character is they are unicellular. So this euglenoids are also unicellular. Okay, one single cell. So that single cell have two flagella, a short and a long one. Okay. Then my dear student, though they are photosynthetic in the presence of sunlight, so whenever sunlight will be there, they will be showing photosynthesis. When deprived of sunlight, if sometimes sunlight does not penetrate or sunlight does not reach them, then they behave like heterotrophs. So we may say that they are showing both the characteristics of a plant as well as animal. As a result, they are in middle portion, isn't it? So if they can show photosynthesis, they will show, otherwise they will be showing the characteristics of heterotrophs. And euglenoids, one of the most common example is euglena. So my dear student, here you may see in the diagram euglena. This is a diagram of euglena. Okay, and these are some microscopic structure, that means under microscope how euglena looks, and this is the structure of a euglena. So I hope that you have understood. So with this we have learned three group. One is cryophyte, second one is dinoflagellate, and third one is euglenoid. Okay, and in our next class we will learn about slime molds and protozoa. Okay, so thank you and have a great day.